how to fix Steam Client WebHelper high memory usage. Here are some settings which you can change to fix that. Click on Steam in the top left, go into settings. The first one which we need to change is going to be in the interface section. Click on interface, then you want to scroll down and you will see enable GPU accelerated rendering in web views. Here you want to uncheck this one, so uncheck it. I'm going to restart later. And also enable hardware video decoding. Again, you want to uncheck it if it doesn't automatically do it for you. The next setting which we need to change is going to be in the library section. So you want to click on library. Now you want to select low bandwidth mode and also low performance mode. This is basically just gonna not render some graphics and it's gonna reduce the memory usage of the Steam web client. And after you have enabled these settings, you can restart your Steam and it should take up less memory. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.